Hello guys, welcome back. This is TC Graphics. So today we're going to learn how to design this real estate flyer. It's very simple. As usual, I'm going to do this within a very short time, and I believe you're going to get so much value. You know, you always get value here, and I always make sure I deliver. All right, I just need one favor from you. Please, can you go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed? If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do it to subscribe, as I've made up my mind to make sure that anyone who comes to my channel will definitely live with so much value. All right, and for those of you that have been liking and commenting my videos, I don't take it for granted. You are the reason why I still come here to upload more ones. So for you to see how extent it means, you know what it means to me, if you like and you subscribe to my channel, it gives me hope and it tells me that people are really enjoying what I'm doing here, and I go ahead to do more. All right, thank you as you do that. So let's go ahead to the tutorial. First thing, I'm going to delete this stuff, and I'll go ahead and import my image. So this is how to import. You click import, it will take you to your gallery, and you just select whatever you have there. All right, now some of you wonder, is this the image he used? Now see how the image is looking. Okay, so when you have something like this, I always want to do something. So we're gonna work on this. All right, so you go to your color filter and hue. All right, I don't know if you are expressing something. Can you notice something? So I want to make that all those vegetations to be more green. Alright, so saturation. But then if you're applying it, you should make sure that the main thing is not looking off. Alright, so I have something like this. I think that makes much more sense. Alright, perfect. So I have something like this. So come to this place and make the color of your background to be white, and that settles it. That settles it. Well, you can come to this place again and do this. Okay, before then, let's just do something like this. Okay, so perform the shape, though everything is covered here actually. So but you can come to this gradient and use this. Come here and the second part, and click this one and take it down here. Take this one here, and you have this, and shift this one like this. Okay, all right, so you have shape like this. I just want to use it and cover that, though it's not even showing, but even if it's showing, that's what I want to do. So the color is white. All right, perfect. Okay, so next one I'm going to do is to now create this custom shape. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, to now go to your mask. Okay, now come to your mask. I want to have something like this. Bring this one like this, and go this one like this. Okay, those of you that been following me for a very long time, I don't hide. I try my best to make sure that anytime you come across my video, it's not just about watching, because I must make sure you go home with something. Okay, so for those of you that don't know how to make use of this mask tool, this is how it works. Okay, all right, so after this, click enable, then click out. Okay, it's right. So increase the size. So I want to work on it again. Go to that mask and bring this one down a little bit. Okay, and then increase the size. At this point, you're going to make use of this color. Okay, no code. It is 042352. So in your own case, you are just gonna clear whatever that is here. Use this and clear, then type this again. After typing it, you click OK and click OK. So you have the color. All right. So after having the color, okay. Before then, let me take this up. Now I'm going to repeat this. Make a copy of this first one I used up here, and then we're gonna place it somewhere here, just to cover that. I'm gonna rotate it like this. Okay. Then if you're following, you want to cover that edge. You don't want to be seeing stuff like that there. So I will have something like this. So use your relative position and okay. So I'll lock this and then I'll continue with this. This is where I stop. So make sure it is up above the other one. Okay. So I have it like this. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So after locking this, okay. So after doing this, just mark this and this. I want to bring that house a little bit down. Oh, okay. So I have to take this one down again. All right. Good. So make this circle shape, and then after that, you're gonna come to this place and go to shadow. Go to shadow and make that color. Okay. Make that shape and come to this place. Reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna make a shape again and possibly put it like this. Okay. So it should be at the back of this one, but the color now is gonna be this color. It's gonna be this color. Okay. So alright, so I'll put it like this. Okay, so that's something I want to do. I think this is taking much of this space, so I'm gonna reduce the size a little bit. Okay, better. I need to look more beautiful like this. Relative position, better, perfect. Alright, so we have something like this. Perfect, good. So I have something like this. Perfect, perfect. All right, so this shape I have that is like this. Take it up a little bit. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna lock the two. I'm gonna write. Oh, if I forget. Alright, so I want to pick a text tool and I'll write now selling. Now selling. So the color of this one is gonna be, so come to color, and the color of this one is gonna be, the color of this one is gonna be this. So and this is the color code FE8301. Okay, so this is what you have. Now selling, and you go to font. Come to font, and I want to use Montserrat here. Okay, Montserrat Light Italic. Okay, I think this is nice. This is nice. Okay, let's pick a text. We'll come to that later. Let's not waste time there. Let's write 60 million or 80 million. Let me just make it 80 million. Things are quite expensive now. If it used to be 60, I have to add extra 20. Things are quite expensive. Come on, you can't get this house 60 million. It's too expensive. So I'll come here and okay. Black. Coming. Okay, so this one, the font is gonna be this. I got a Montserrat Italic. I think the light is too light. Let's check if we can have Montserrat Italic bold better. Montserrat Italic bold. Montserrat bold Italic, that's better. Okay, so having done this, we come to size and we reduce the size a little bit. Alright, so this now selling, I'm going to change the font to that bold. Better. See, it's much more pronounced now, so it's better like that. Good. Okay, so there's something I'm going to do again. So I will pick my text tool and I'll write at. Okay, so this art, I'm gonna place it here. The color is gonna be okay. So that stuff, you're gonna go to background. Where is background? So go to touch it first, go to text tool and go to background. So the background color is going to be this. Okay, so I'm going to increase the left and right padding like this. Bottom. Okay, so after that, so good. So when you come to color, you now go to color and make the color to be what? White. Then you can now reduce the size. Okay, so let's go to fonts. I've not applied fonts. Let's go with the same fonts we'll be using. Montserrat bold. Okay, so come here. Good. So now that you are done with this, go to size. So I know some of you will wonder what is it being said. So come to your background and then work on that padding. Okay, the bottom one is too much. Now you can do this in two ways. It's either you form the shape by yourself. Okay, no, I don't want to go through that stuff, wasting my time. Okay, so I just want to do like this. Okay, so top one, I'm going to reduce it as well. Bottom, and then you have a simple something like this, something that's very simple. Okay, so I just place it like this. The non-selling should go up a little bit. Okay, all right, perfect. Okay, so that's something I want to do. Let's remove this so that that's the size of that will be bigger. 80. Okay, great. Great. So this art will be here. great. So I'll now come to this now, selling copy and write million. Go to size and increase the size a little bit, and here you go, position it properly. Here you go. Great. So that's something I did again. One interesting something I did. I think some of you might see the effect. Oh god. So make this, come to this gradient, and I'm gonna make use of this I created before. You see it, you know how I did it before, so I'm just using it again. So come here now and do something like this. I've wasted this, so come to the shape and I'm gonna repeat this. Okay. Alright. So perfect. So go to opacity and like reducing the size a little bit. Perfect. So you have it like this. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This is nice, people. This is good, people. Alright, so love it. Okay, so we're moving. Take your text tool and you write. Edit, you write smart apartment. So the color is gonna be this. So the font at this time is gonna be Montserrat Wood. Yes, it's not bad. Montserrat Wood is not bad. Sorry. Montserrat Wood. So you have it like this. Okay. Your text tool again on the right. 4-bedroom. You write 4-bedroom. And 4 BQ. Attached terrace. Okay. So let's work on this. And attached BQ. And attached BQ. And attached BQ terrace apartment. Okay, calculator. Okay, reduce the size. So the color is going to be, what if we use white? Better. Okay, so go to your font and use Montserrat bold as well. Okay. So go to your alignment and use this center alignment. Perfect. So this is what you have. Nice one. Okay, so after this you lock it up. So after that you come here and you create the shape. Okay, so you create the shape. This shape you're gonna reduce the opacity. And you can apply stroke. And maybe apply one stroke like this, and then the color of the stroke is something like this, or this blue. Okay, come to this opacity and reduce it a little bit. Okay, I don't like it. So you're gonna make the stroke color is gonna be this. Good. Okay, so make this one. This one like this. Okay, sorry, so you have something like this. Perfect. So that one is gonna be, so you're gonna write futures. Okay, so you pick your text tool and you write futures. Okay, so you bring it here, and then the color is gonna be this, and the font remains Montserrat medium. Okay, you reduce the size. All right, so you can make this encapsulator actually. Features, reduce the size. Okay, okay, so I want to work on this again. All right, the color remains white. It's white, right? It's white. Good. So I want to align it properly. Okay, so your features align it as well. So we have the center of that stuff. Great. So lock it when you're done. Lock it. Then you pick your text tool again and you write as the features of the building now. The features of the building. Okay, so use this and reduce the size. The color should be what? Is it okay like this? I check. Okay, and this is not visible. Go to color. Is this one better? We use black. Come in. So I'm gonna make use of this black. It's black already. Okay, so go to your font and I'm gonna make use of Montserrat bold. Good, so it will be much more pronounced like that. I'll reduce the size. Okay, perfect. So you can come to spacing. All right, that's awesome. So I think we are done with this one. So next thing we are going to do is to just lock it and we are moving. Pick your text tool and you now write 80 million. That's 80. First of all, 80 million. Then you cancel later and bring it here. The color is this, and the font is bold. Okay, now come to 3D text. Okay, come here and disable this one. Okay, when you disable it, that's all. Okay, like this, and we have something like this. Perfect. So there's something I want to do again. This particular shape I created here earlier, I'm going to make a copy of it. I'll make a copy of it and I'll bring it down here. I'll distort it. Let's make the color of this thing to be white. Actually, let's see how it's going to look. This is not it. Opacity. I can increase the opacity a little bit. Okay, so you have something like this. So I'm gonna take it down There's something okay, it's on top. Let's not bother. I know what to do. It wasn't good now. You just have to reduce the size. Okay, and then we'll have something like this. Okay, nice. So we have something like this. So we can go ahead and just move the two. Okay, so we want to move this down a little bit. So I'll create a shape like this. Shape. It's a very simple shape like this. Okay, the color will be this. So color will be this. And I'll come here and reduce the opacity. Okay. Does it make sense like this? Okay. Alright, let's just leave that one now. So come here and write text, and I want to write the location now. Very important. I want to write the location now. Okay. So this is where it is located. Actually, this is actually real. I did this flyer before, so I just decided to show us now today how I did it. This is for a client actually. Okay, so our font. Okay, so this is it. Just place it here, and that's also this one. Now I have here is for your phone number. The phone number. Let me check. I'll close it like this. Better. Let it be like that. This is how I want it. Good. Okay, so when you have it like this, let's say I want to do this now to write the contact. Let's say I'm going to write N first. N is for the symbol, the icon, WhatsApp icon. I'll just write +23480589765 okay. If this is your phone number, I'm sorry about that. I'm just managing. Okay, so put it here. The color must be black, okay, so that it can be visible. Reduce the size. Now go to font, and then if you come to font, you are going to use this color. No, you're going to use Montserrat medium. Okay, still go to font. Now highlight only this one and search for this font called 101. So it's for icon font. Okay, so reduce the size. Now go to your spacing. This is what I want. Space it like this. Alright, so use your position tool and just put it properly. So, and you have it like this. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring in the logo of this particular real estate company and the location icon. Okay, so I'll come here and just go ahead and bring it. So this is the location icon. If you are watching up till now and you have not subscribed, I wonder. Okay, it's not helping me. Okay, so if you are getting value, a good heart and a Christian heart should like and subscribe. Okay, if you really find this helpful. Okay, thank you as you do that. So this one is the location icon, and I'll go ahead and bring in the logo. Okay, we're almost done. Just that logo, and we call it. Okay, so this is the logo, and there's a problem. Let me put it on. So that's not much. The problem is just that this one, the name. So I'll just go ahead and let's do this magic now. I'll do this. I'll crop this one. Okay, so and make the color to be what? Make this color like this. This is magic we always do. Okay, so that it will be visible. Now make a copy of it and then crop the other one. Crop this one. Now for information, I was the one that designed this logo. Okay, now you see that this one there's something there, so I don't want it to show. You just come here and there's something I want to do. This is the main logo. Please, we have to start afresh so that it doesn't affect what we're doing. Okay, crop it like this. Okay, after cropping, come to eraser and increase this, slightly increase everything. We just want to erase this. Okay, we just want to erase this. That's all. Remember, we're doing all this is because the background where we want to place this is white. So if not, we will just place it like that direct. So and nothing will happen. All right, so bring this one down like this. Perfect. Now make a copy now and go to crop. Okay, at this point you are going to do this one I'm going to crop out and come here and increase the size. So the color now is this. Okay, you can see how it's showing, but there's no problem. Go to eraser and disable this, and we have it. So you're going to make a copy of it, delete this one. Perfect. So at this point reduce the size. At this point, come here. You can actually type this again, but you know, some of us that don't want to be wasting time typing, we just do it straight up like this. Okay, so we are done. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you found this helpful, do well to share it to your friends so that they come here and learn and, you know, explore their potentials and creativity. And if you find it helpful, like it so that other people on YouTube will be able to see this video. That's what YouTube does. When you like one particular content, they will share it to so many other persons. Thank you as you do that. Do have a great day. All right, so this is how to save. For those that don't know how to save, click Ultra and you are saving. Goodbye.